Welcome back to another video. So, are you looking for the best online bank in 2025 and you're just confused between the right choices? So, today we'll be discussing SoFi with Ally Bank, and these are the top two choices. So, we'll be comparing their features, interest rate, fees, and everything else. So, SoFi is basically more than just a bank, it's a financial hub, which is basically offering high yield savings, checking investings, and loans. Plus, members get perks like no fee overdrafts and career coaching. Like that's amazing, right? So if you go on Ally Banking, it's basically a trusted name in online banking with high yield saving accounts, CDs, auto loans, and it's also great for traditional banking without any physical branches. If we talk about interest rates, so SoFi checking and saving offers up to like to 4.6% APY, direct deposit, and no account fees. On the other hand, if you talk about Ally Bank, they offer around 4.25% Ally, and there is no plus monthly fees or any minimum balance requirements. So both banks are free and they offer strong interest rates, but SoFi is slightly edged out for Ally for saving interest. So if you talk about customer support, mobile experiences in these apps, SoFi is basically modern, packed with features like investing, credit score tracking, and budgeting tools, making it all in one app. And if you compare with Ally Bank, it's basically user-friendly and focused more on banking with 24/7 live customer support and strong auto loan management tools. So, as we have seen on the websites, it's pretty neat, pretty understandable, and everything's there on the website. So, if you'll ask me my final verdict, like which one should I choose, would I suggest you to choose? So, go with SoFi if you want an all-in-one financial platform with higher savings, interest, and investment options. But go with Ally Bank if you prefer a simple, reliable online bank with great customer support and no hidden fees. So with that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.